Welcome everyone. Today, we're taking a journey back in time, not to explore mythical creatures or grand battles, but to marvel at an incredible invention from over 1800 years ago. We're talking about the Han Dynasty Seismoscope, a device so ingenious it could detect earthquakes from hundreds of miles away. Imagine living in a time with no modern technology, no internet, no phones. Earthquakes were terrifying events, unpredictable and often devastating. In the year 132 AD, during the Han Dynasty, a brilliant inventor named Zhang Heng created something extraordinary, a bronze vessel that could indicate the direction of an earthquake. This wasn't just a simple tremor detector, it was a true feat of engineering. The seismoscope, often called the Hufeng Didongyi, was a large, ornate bronze vessel shaped like a wine jar. Around its exterior were 8 dragon heads, each holding a bronze ball in its mouth. Below each dragon was a corresponding bronze-toed figurine with its mouth open. Now, this might sound like decoration, but every detail had a crucial function. Inside the vessel was a sophisticated pendulum mechanism. During an earthquake, even a very slight tremor would cause the pendulum to swing. This movement would trigger a lever mechanism that would release a bronze ball from one of the dragon's mouths. The ball would then fall into the open mouth of the toad below, creating a loud, clanging sound and indicating the direction of the quake. The brilliance of Zhang Heng's design lies in its sensitivity and its ability to indicate the direction of the earthquake. The dragon that dropped the ball pointed towards the epicenter. This allowed people to understand where the earthquake originated, crucial for sending aid and planning relief efforts. It was a truly remarkable advancement for its time. Now, it's important to understand that this wasn't a perfect system. It wasn't going to give you a Richter scale reading or tell you the exact magnitude of the quake. However, it was incredibly effective at detecting the occurrence of an earthquake and providing directional information that was otherwise impossible to obtain at the time. It was a revolutionary tool for its era. Historical records indicate that the seismoscope successfully detected earthquakes hundreds of miles away, sometimes even before people in the affected areas felt the tremors. This early warning system, though rudimentary by today's standards, was a significant step in understanding and preparing for these natural disasters. It provided critical information to the imperial court. The Han Dynasty Seismoscope isn't just a historical artifact, it's a testament to the human capacity for innovation and problem-solving. Zhang Heng's genius allowed him to create a device that addressed a very real and terrifying threat with the technology available to him at the time. It demonstrates a deep understanding of physics and mechanics. Sadly, the original seismoscope doesn't survive today. What we know about it comes from historical texts and descriptions. However, archaeologists and engineers have created working replicas based on these accounts, allowing us to witness the ingenuity of Zhang Heng's design firsthand. These replicas not only demonstrate how the original device likely functioned, but they also serve as a fascinating educational tool, allowing us to appreciate the scientific advancements of ancient civilizations. It's a reminder that innovation isn't exclusive to the modern age. The principles behind the seismoscope's pendulum mechanism are still relevant today, although our modern seismographs use much more advanced technology. Zhang Heng's work laid a foundation for future exploration in seismology. His contribution to science is undeniable. Beyond its scientific importance, the seismoscope is a cultural icon, a symbol of the intellectual achievements of the Han Dynasty. It speaks to a time when innovation was driven by a need to understand and navigate the world around them. It serves as inspiration to generations of scientists and engineers. So, the next time you think about technological advancements, remember the Han Dynasty seismoscope. It stands as a powerful reminder that even without sophisticated tools, human ingenuity can achieve remarkable things. It's a testament to the power of observation, understanding, and innovative thinking. The story of the Han Dynasty seismoscope is a compelling narrative of early scientific progress and human innovation. It highlights the importance of understanding our past to inspire our future. It reminds us that even the most daunting challenges can be overcome with creativity and knowledge. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the past. We hope you've enjoyed learning about the incredible ingenuity of the Han Dynasty seismoscope. Until next time, keep exploring and keep learning.